Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. So today we've got some bad news. My car's been smashed into. So this happened within 10 minutes. I went to a shop just to get some food, and during that time I come back and this is the aftermath of my car. So as you can see, it's been smashed into, and they've tried to rob stuff, but there wasn't really much inside. So what we're going to do today is waste the day and go to Birmingham and get a new door, a new window, and we're going to get this fixed. So we're going to make this L into a W, and during this time I'm going to show you guys how to change a window onto a door. So stay tuned and let's go on this journey and let's get crack-a-lacking. If you're new to this channel, my name is Andrew, and just subscribe to the channel if you like things like this. Well, obviously not this, because this looks like a mess right now. But if you do like DIY stuff, and if you do like customizing cars, then do give us a follow, and do leave your comments on what you would have done in this situation. And here we are at Jay's house. He's just gone to get the parts. Once he gets the parts, we're going to try and fit the door in the dinger, but I'm not sure if the door will fit in there or not. So if that's the case, we have to remove the glass from the door and then put them both separately. So let's see. Hopefully it just fits in one bit instead of separating it. Finally done it. He's removed the motor for me so that the glass goes in. And as you can see, it just fits. And this is how it looks with the glass inside the door. So mission accomplished. And now we've got a 2.5 hour journey back. Done. There is all the damage done. If I can show you guys more clear. There's all the remaining glass. So what we're going to do is start off by removing this door card, remove the existing glass that's inside the door card, and then we can start installing the new one, which is inside here. So as you can see here, or maybe not, unless I put a torchlight, and there is the new glass. So we're going to be installing that, and stay tuned. Sorry guys, the lighting is really bad on this video since I'm doing it at night time, since I need the car fixed ASAP. So I'll try capture as. So the way you want to take this off is by using a trim removing tool, and try wedge it under here, and then once you wedge it, you can see it starts getting loose. So I need to do some stuff off camera since I'm the only one that's videoing and doing the stuff too. So once you wedge it in here, that removes the clips that are on the top. You want to do the same here, below and here, and this bit it pulls out, so just be careful with this bit, otherwise you will end up breaking the clip that holds it down there. We don't want to do that, so we just want to remove these without making any damage. You just want to get rid of the pins, and you see that last bit, it just clips in, so you want to pull it out like this, and just be careful with this since it can easily break. So you see this little bit, it pulls into there, so you want to start off from the top and then work yourself to the bottom. Now once you remove that, you can see there are 2 Torx bolts in here and here. You want to remove them. Sorry guys, I couldn't video this for you, but as I showed you earlier, once you remove this, you want to get another tool, and once you have a little gap in between here, just get the other tool and put it at the top, and then when you put it at the top, the front bit will release, and once the front bit releases, then you'll be able to get this out. And then there's a connector, you just pull this connector. Start undoing the clips behind the door cards. So you want to just be gentle with this a little bit, because they are plastic clips and they can break easily. now that we've hoovered everything out, you want to remove these two bits here, this one, and there's one on this side which is there. The way that we want to do this is by removing these channel locks behind. So we need to get like some sort of plier or something that will grab onto this and twist it around, and then these bolts are there but it won't come out, so you have to do it from the back here and on that side as well. This is the bolt that's held in at the back. You can see there's a Torx, but the Torx will never ever come off, so don't try Torxing it out, it's not going to come. So you want to get these clippers and then you want to start moving this towards the bonnet of the car, and then that should shift it out, and you want to make sure you clamp onto this metal bit and you're good to go. So that's what I did on this side and this side. Once you do that, it should come out. So yesterday it got really cold, so I stopped working on the car, and as you can see I've taped it up. But when I get closer to the car I can see more marks. So I'm actually intrigued to find out how they've managed to do this and how they broke into my car. So I might try and find video footage if I can and then show you guys on this video. But today we're going to be installing the glass. Hopefully everything goes fine, since this is the first time we're doing this, and we're going to show you guys how it's done, and hopefully you guys find this informative. Even though it was a loss for me, hopefully you guys can gain something from this video, and hopefully you find it beneficial for you to change a glass mirror, because I don't think there's many videos on this. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Let's get crack-a-lacking and let's fix this glass. Bit seal, we just need to take this bit of the seal off, and then we can slide the window in. So during this time we're trying to slide the glass into the door, and while doing this you want to be careful. It's good if you can get someone to help you during this time so that the glass doesn't just fall into the door. So what we're doing here is aligning the glass with the mechanism of the window, going up and down. So you want to get that in between the two plastic bits which I showed earlier on in the video, and then you want to align the two holes that are on the glass with those plastic bits so that the channel locks can go in from behind, and you can tighten it with the channel locks with the Allen key. And help from Sarishana here. He's helped me to do the actual window, so he's the one that helped me to actually take off the brackets from the other door. So shout out to him. And we've pretty much done this, and this is when you make an L into a W. So what you want to do is open up this seal, take it out, and then put this glass in, and you want to make sure that it clips into the actual plastic bit over here. And then once that plastic bit is in, as you can see the glass is held in, then it will give you access to put that bolt in the back. Same on this side. And once you've done that, you tighten those bolts and then you're good to go. So now I've tested the window and it's going up and down without a problem. So we're good to go. We can put the door card back on. This brings us to the end of this video, and hopefully the video was informative for you guys, and that you don't have this same situation as me where the glass gets smashed into due to people robbing your car. But if that is the case and you're watching this video, I hope that this video helps you and you can just follow the steps and change your glass on your BMW, as this is the same on most BMWs, as there is the glass with the two holes in it and then the two bolts that hold the glass in. If this is the first time to this channel, please do remember to subscribe, and do leave in the comments what you would expect from Alpha Customs or what type of videos you want us to release, so that we can start doing that for you guys. And I hope you guys have a blessed 2025. Happy New Year. Until next time, peace.